And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Live look on Canyon City on this quiet Christmas night. Not too shabby out there. A little bit of snowfall from everything that fell yesterday. Maybe we add to the accumulation a little bit. We'll have to find out. 25 degrees right now with a light wind out of the north at around 1 mile an hour, but that is going to start to pick up here over the next 12 hours or so. Out on the eastern plains in La Junta, a little bit of a different story. You can see quite a bit of a sunset there, but the cloud deck is really starting to move in. This is in advance of that system that again is backing its way into the state here, and it's going to bring us some snow showers out there on the eastern plains. Wind chill, this is what those winds are doing to the temperatures. It actually feels like it's in the lower teens out there. 19 for Lamar, 22 is what it feels like in La Junta, 17 in Rye, and 10 at La Vida at this hour, and even single digits up there at Woodland Park. These are those winds. Now, these are the sustained winds. They're not the gusty winds, but these are the winds sustained over the course of an average of an hour. And this whole system is starting to move back in on the northeastern corner of the state. As it does so, these winds are going to start to pick up overnight, and especially for tomorrow morning until about noon. They'll start to die off, but it's going to be kind of a treacherous drive for tomorrow. Here's a live look at radar right now. You can see the majority of the viewing area, not much to talk about, but here come those light snow showers with that cloud deck, and that's what you saw with La Junta. Still no snow showers just yet, but again, a few flurries here and there, definitely for sure. Here's that storm system winding itself up. It's now centered over parts of Kansas, Nebraska, and as it does so, it continues to wind itself. Watch what happens over the next 24-48 hours. It moves back west, retrogrades into the Centennial State, brings us the chances for snow showers and cloud cover, and it's not until Wednesday afternoon when this thing starts to finally get out of the picture. But just look what's going to happen over the next 2 days. Nebraska, South Dakota, Kansas, now into Colorado, blizzard warning in effect. Now, the Central Plains are going to see upwards of 18 inches in some locations. We're not going to see that much here, but it will have a huge impact if you're planning on driving north to Denver along I-25 tomorrow. So here's the futurecast starting at 5 o'clock, well, just a few minutes ago tonight. Here comes the clouds. Here comes those chances for snow showers. You notice anywhere south of Colorado Springs, we're not talking about a lot, just some cloud cover for the most part, and this is at 5 a.m. tomorrow, but the snow showers are going to be abundant throughout the Palmer Divide all the way out towards the eastern plains. Broken clouds for your Tuesday, and still the chances for some blowing snow, primarily Colorado Springs and north, and also on the eastern plains, Los Animas and Baca counties. You guys could also see a little bit as well. The forecasting winds, as this starts to make its way in here, look what happens. Now, these are the wind gusts. Now, then you're talking 42, 40 miles an hour out there in the plains by 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then as you wake up tomorrow morning, look at this, maybe upwards of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Again, this is on the Palmer Divide. South here, not as strong, but still a breezy day for many of us here in southern Colorado. And those winds are going to be with us throughout tomorrow afternoon on Tuesday. It's not until Wednesday when things start to lighten up just a little bit. Snowfall totals, again, we're not talking about anything for us here for the majority of you watching. It is the Palmer Divide northward, Palmer Divide east. That's where we're going to see the best chance for some snowfall accumulation. Closer look on the Pikes Peak region here, just trace amounts if we see anything, here in Colorado Springs, but up towards Monument, maybe about 2 inches, 2.4 for Black Forest, and in some locations, maybe even up to 6 inches. So here is the watches, warnings, advisories, blizzard warning in effect for parts of northern El Paso County up towards Castle Rock. It's going to be between Monument and Castle Rock that's going to be the biggest concern. A lot of words here, and I don't have a lot of time, so we're going to go through this. Blizzard warning for the Palmer Divide, up to 6 inches of snow as possible. High wind warning for southern El Paso County, which is us here in the Springs. Lincoln counties until 3 p.m. Tuesday. Winter weather advisory for Teller County, and then blizzard warning for northeastern Colorado. So a lot is going on, but just for a very small portion of the viewing area. 7-day forecast, 38 degrees for tomorrow here in Colorado Springs. It's going to feel a lot colder than that. Windy for tomorrow morning, blowing snow as well. And look at those wind gusts hour by hour, starting at 4 a.m. Upwards of around 50 miles an hour wind gusts for 8 a.m., 10 a.m. They'll start to trickle off as we head towards the afternoon. And then by Wednesday, we're looking at broken clouds, a little bit of sunshine, and some warmer temperatures for us here in the Pikes Peak region. Also down south in Pueblo with an afternoon high of 50 on Wednesday, 52 on Thursday, and near that also for Friday. We start to calm things down once we head towards the New Year's Eve, but really for tomorrow, the biggest threat is going to be heading northward on I-25. If you can avoid traveling up to Denver tomorrow, I highly recommend it. It is the day after Christmas. Maybe you take another day off, Allison.